Well, students, welcome back to physics class. Today, I would like to discuss with you some more problems related to light chapter. So, here we have problem number 7. An object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Find the position, size, and nature of the image. Okay. See, one more time I will repeat the question. An object 5 centimeter in length. So, one object is there and the length of that object is 5 centimeter is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens, and this lens is held, see, and this object is held 25 centimeter from the converging lens. Okay, object distance they are given here of focal length 10 centimeter, of the focal length 10 centimeter. F also they are given. Find the position, size, nature of the image. Okay, very first of all we will write given. So given is already they are given HO. So HO is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, height of the object, HO is nothing but what? Height of the object they are given. So again they are given U is equal to, okay, minus 25 centimeter. Next, is it F they are given? Yes, they are given the what here? F is equal to 10 centimeter. What we need to find? So size HR we need to find. Okay, size of the image. Okay, nature and nature of the image and position of the image we need to find. For that, converging lens means it is a convex lens. So we need to use here lens formula. So what we have the lens formula? We have lens formula 1 by V plus, okay, minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, once it is a plus means that is mirror formula, but in the lens we have minus. So we need here V, we need to calculate this one also. So image distance also we need to calculate. So we need V means 1 by V, keep as it is. Now it is 1 by F plus becomes minus, that side means it is plus, minus becomes plus, okay, or plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. If it is what you are goes on changing the what from right to left to right means the signs will be what changes here. Okay, now next we have 1 by V is equal to, okay, so now can substitute the values here. 1 by F, how much we have? 1 by 10 plus, okay, 1 by U how much we have? Minus 25. Okay, now we'll take the LCM. So LCM of this one is 50. We'll get LCM is how much? 50. So how much that is? 10 5s are, and this is 25 2s are. Okay, now this is 5. So let me keep 1 by V is as it is. So 5 minus of 2. Okay, so let me write here the next step. So 1 by V is equal to 5 minus 2. It is 3 and by 50. Okay, 3 by 50. Then V is how much? So V is equal to, if you want you can calculate, see, 3 and 50. So it is 3 16s are 48 will get. So remaining 2 keep 0.6 18 will get. Okay, so I think it is 16.6 centimeters. So this is what V is equal to 16.6 centimeter. Okay, now next what we need to calculate? HI. For that HI we need to calculate means before of that we need to calculate magnification. So M is equal to V by U we need to calculate. Okay, so V how much we have here? V already we are calculated 16.6 minus of 25. So this is minus of 25 we have here. Now M is equal to, okay, so how much will get here? M. So we have minus 25. So 25 and this is 16. So 0 point need to keep here 0. So 25 6 how much will get? 25 6 is 150. So 160 will get 10 here. But we have here 25 and this again we need to keep here 1 0. So 100. So 25 4s will get here. Okay, 0.64. Okay, 0.64 will get. So let me write here. Now this is M is equal to 0.6 centimeter only. I'll write. Okay, now We have here also 6, so that if you are taken the here point 6 means, okay, it becomes 60 now. Okay, 6 will come here, point one more 6 we have, 0.6 is enough here. Okay, now next, so but see here minus sign we have, this is a minus, m is equal to minus 0.6 centimeter, because so we have object distance is minus here. Okay, next, so once you got m, so next we have m is equal to hi by ho. Okay, now m is how much we have, minus 0.6, and hi we need to calculate, and ho already given 5. Okay, now this, so hi is equal to minus 3.0 centimeter. Okay, minus 3.0, or you can say this much. So minus, you know it very well, minus, if the height of the object image is coming minus, height of the image is coming minus, means it is a real and inverted. So minus indicated what, real and inverted, real and inverted. Okay, so now find the position on the other side of the what, lens. So we can say on the other side of lens. Okay, so on the other side of the lens. So next, nature of the image, nature is real and inverted, and the position we can say on the other side of the lens, and the size is we have hi is equal to minus 3.0 centimeters. So this is what calculation, what they are given, just you can substitute and you will get your desired answer, and I hope that you understood very well. Okay. Well students, we have here next problem, problem number 8. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image. Okay, a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Okay, what they are given, just you can see, a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. So now we'll be right, keep on, a concave lens of focal length, this is a lens, concave lens of focal length. So concave lens means we can take minus 15 centimeter. Okay, now forms an image 10 centimeter, forms an image. So image is also, we know it very well, minus 10 centimeter, because the image will be from same side of the object, from the 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed? So u is equal to how much? We need to calculate. So we know that very well. So lens formula is 1 by v minus of 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay. Now, so we need here u. So minus 1 by u as it is here. So this is equal to 1 by f. Now this is minus 1 by v. Okay. Now this implies, so minus can multiply again, so this becomes minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, so 1 by v minus of 1 by f. Okay, so you will get this. Now substitute the values here, 1 by, so 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. So how much we have? It is 1 by minus 10. Okay, so minus keep as it is. Now again this is 1 by f, we have again minus 15. So this implies 1 by u is as it is. So here what I will be doing means 1 by minus 10 as it is, this is plus 1 by 15, because minus minus gets what here? Plus. Now I will take the LCM. So LCM is what? Here 10 and we have 15. So this is 5u 2s are 5u 3s are 3 2s are, how much we have? 3 2s are is 6 into 5 30. Okay, so this becomes 1 by u is equal to LCM is 30. So how much it is? 3s are and this is 2s are. So this is minus 3 isn't it? So this is minus 3 will come, and next we have this is plus this is 2. Okay, so now we have 1 by u is equal to, so this is minus 1 by 30. Okay, so once you got minus 1 by 30 means what is the u? U is equal to how much here? Object distance. U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So we can say that what here u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So object will be placed from the what lens is in the 30 centimeter. So this is the what here answer here we can say. So I hope you understood very well. So next we have well students, we have here next problem, problem number 9. So an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of a image. Okay, so here one object is there, it is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. This time we have here mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, of a focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. So given, so u is equal to, they are given object distance is equal to minus 10 centimeter, u is equal to minus 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length. So focal length here 15 centimeter. Okay, find the position and nature of the image. We need to find position and nature of the image. So how we can get the position and nature of image? You know it very well. So let me solve this one. So now we can apply mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, now we have, so this implies 1 by v. So we don't have, we can keep as it is. So plus what we need to find here? Position. Find the position, nature of image. So I'll take v. So this equal to 1 by f, and this is minus 1 by u. Okay. Now this implies 1 by v, keep as it is. So f, how much we have? 1 by 15 minus. Okay. So this becomes minus is there, and here also minus means we have plus 1 by 10. Okay. So once you kept this one, so what will be happens? This implies next we have 1 by v is equal to 15 and 10 LCM we need now. 5 u 3s are 5 u 2s are 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay. So it is 30. Now this becomes how much are 2s are, and this is 3s are. Now this is 2 plus 3. Okay. So now this becomes 1 by v is equal to 5 by 30. Okay. So it is 1 by v is equal to 1 by 6. 5 ones are 5, 6 are. So v is equal to how much we can say? So v is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now once we know this one, v is equal to 6 centimeter, find the position and nature of image. So position, it is a positive and greater than 1. Okay. So we can say that it is definitely positive, means virtual and erect, and position we can say behind the mirror. Okay. Find the position, it is behind the mirror. Okay. And nature is we can say virtual and erect. Okay. So behind the mirror, and nature is virtual and erect we have here. So dear students, I hope you understood very well. Well students, we have here next problem. An object 5 centimeter in length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. Okay. So at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter, find the position We need to find here position of the image, its nature and size. Okay, see here, convex mirror they are given this time. Okay, now given, so an object 5 centimeter in length, so they are given HO, object height of the object they are given 5 centimeter. Okay, now 20 centimeter in is placed, so that means u is equal to minus 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. Radius of curvature r they are given, r is equal to how much, 30, then f is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, convex it is, so it is a which type of mirror, convex mirror, means f is a positive. Okay, find the position of the image and its nature and size. So we need to apply here mirror formula. So mirror formula is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, now this implies 1 by v, so is equal to, it is 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay, so 1 by v is equal to, now substitute the values here, f how much we have, so 1 by 15 minus, okay, 1 by u, u we have minus, and this minus becomes what, I'll take, otherwise, okay, I'll take plus, so 1 by 20. Okay, so next step I'll write here, so this implies, see, 15 and 20 LCM, 5 3s are 5 4s are 3 4s are how much, we have 12, 12 5s are 60, so 1 by v is equal to, okay, 60, so 1 by see 60 it is, LCM is 60, but how much it is, 4s are, and we have how much it is, 3s are. Okay, now this becomes 4 plus 3. Now next step we have 1 by v is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 60. So v is how much we need to calculate. Now this is 7 and 60. So 7, I think 6 the 56. Okay, 7 sevens are we have, okay, 7 8s are will come, this 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So 4 is remaining here. Okay, now 4 is remaining means we will keep point, we will take 0. Now 7 5s are, so 8.5 will come. So this becomes, we have here v is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Okay, now this is what, image distance. Once you got image distance, what we need to calculate here, position and position of image and its nature and size we need to calculate. So to calculate that, first of all we will calculate m. So here we have mirror, means it is v by u. Okay, now this equal to v, so we have minus 8.5 and u we have minus of 20. Okay, now see here, so this will get m is equal to, definitely, so this is 20 and this is 85 will take. Okay, so 4s are, so that means it is 0.4. Okay, now we'll get here 0.4. So this becomes m is equal to 0. This minus minus get cancel, 0.4 centimeter. This is m. So but what we need to calculate? We need to calculate height, size of the what here? Image. So height of the object they are given. So m is equal to, we have hi by ho. Now this becomes m is already we have 0.4 is equal to hi, we need to calculate, keep as it is. Now ho already they are given 5. So hi is equal to, we can say 2 centimeter. Okay, so hi is equal to 2 centimeter here. So find the position of the image. So this is a convex mirror. So position of the image, we can say that what, behind the mirror and its nature and size, virtual and erect. So behind the mirror, let me write here, position is behind the mirror and nature and size. Nature is, we can say it is virtual and erect, okay, virtual and erect, and the size of this one is 2 centimeter. This is very simple. So I hope you understood. They are given here convex mirror, okay. So convex mirror means right side of the what mirror the images will be formed, and these are will be what behind the mirror itself, and this is a positive, this image, okay, it is a positive, and so virtual and erect, and size is 2 centimeter, okay. I hope you understood. Okay, well students, we have here next question, question number 11. So an object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, okay, of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find size and nature of the image, okay. Just you can see here, we can say an object of size 7 centimeter. So given, first of all I'll write given it is an object of size, that means height of the object, okay, it is 7 centimeter, is placed at a 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So object distance they are given minus 27 centimeter, okay. Concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter, sorry, 27 centimeter in front of focal length they are given f is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Why it is a minus means this is a concave mirror. So at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed, okay, so that a sharp focus image can be obtained. So we need to calculate here. See, given we have, now we have the mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, okay. So now 1 by V is as it is, so this equal to 1 by F. Now U, this we can transfer that side, so this becomes U. Now we can substitute the values here. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F, we have it is 1 by minus 15 minus, okay, U is there minus, and here we have plus, okay, it is 20, sorry, it is 1 by 27, okay. Now, so this implies we have 1 by V is as it is, this equal to, okay. Now we need to find the LCM of these two. So here 15 is there and 27 is there. So 3 5s are, and this is 3 9s are, okay. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are is 27. So now 9 5s are 45. So we will get here one more 3, if I'll apply the what here 5 1s are, okay. So 3 5s are 15 and 3, okay, 9s are is, so I'll apply one more 3 3s are, and this 5 will as it is here. So now see, otherwise, okay, so the LCM will 15 and 27, is it I am correct? Okay, 27 and 15, okay, I'll take 5s are. So I'll apply 5 3s are 15, and okay, we can't be apply 5 here, 27 and 5 is there here, so we can say 3 only the possible, 3 5s are 15 and 3 9s are it is, okay. Now we have 5 1s are, this 9 keep as it is, now this is 9, okay. Now 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are it is, okay. So 3 into 5 it is, we have 3 5s are 15, 15 into 9 will get 135. So how come it is, okay, I think it is focal length, okay, I am written here 15, so focal length is 18, sorry here. So here due to the what inconvenience, focal length is here we have 18, okay, yes, focal length is 18 centimeter. Now so 18 and we have one more is 27. Now we will take here 3 6 and this is 3 9s, okay. One more 3 will be apply here, 3 2s and this is 3 3s, okay. Now we have this is 9 into 2 3s 6. So 9 into 6 is 54 we have. Okay, now this is 54. So 18, how much are 54? 18 3s are and 27 2s are. Okay, so here see, just you can see here we have now. So this is minus 3 and 1 into 2 is plus 2. Okay, so this becomes 1 by v is equal to, it is minus 1 by 54 here. Okay, now so v is equal to minus 54. So once you got v is equal to minus 54, what we need to calculate place so that a sharp focused image can be obtained. Find the size. So for finding of the size we need here m. So m is equal to, this is a mirror, so we have minus v by u. Okay, now this equal to v. So v, how much we have? Minus 54 we have. So minus of minus 54 and by u we have, it is 27, minus 27. So this becomes 54 by minus 27. So now this is 1s are 2s are. So m is equal to, it is 54, 27 1s are 2s are. So 2 centimeter. Okay, that is minus, I'll write here. So m is equal to, this is minus 2 centimeter. Okay, so once you got m is equal to minus 2 centimeter, now what we need to calculate, just you can see, we need to calculate next one. So m is equal to, we have h I by h o. Okay, now so this equal to, we have m is equal to h I by h o. So here already they are given h o. So m we have already, it is minus 2, h I you can keep as it is, and h o already we have here 7. Okay, so now this equal to, m is equal to, we can say 14 centimeter. Okay, so this is what, m is equal to minus 14 centimeter. Okay, once we have m is equal to minus 14 centimeter, so what they told, find the size and nature of the image. So here it is coming minus, so we can say real and inverted. Okay, and the obtain, where should we keep the what here image? So it is what, same size, same side of the what we can say object. So here find the nature and the image. So for same we can write same side of object position, it is a position. Okay, and so nature we can say, I'll write here, nature is nature. Okay, it is real and inverted, it is real and inverted, because here we have m is equal to minus. Okay, real and inverted. So this problem I hope you understood very well. And size is how much here we can say, the image size, it is a minus. So minus means let me somewhere draw here little bit diagram. Okay, if you have the what concave, so it is ray will come like this, the here this is the image will be formed here on the same side of the water object, it will be formed, and it is a real and inverted, and m is equal to minus 14. Okay, so downside, so sign conventions we know it very well. So it is coming downside means it is a minus, so real and inverted, and size of the image is m is equal to minus 14 centimeter. Okay, so sorry, it is not m, it is a hi is equal to minus 14 centimeter. I hope you understood very well. Okay, so this type of problems they will be asked in the examinations. Study thoroughly, and once you want learn these all problems and practice. Okay, so based on the mirror we need to take this is a plus and the minus. If you don't know the what, whether they are given the concave mirror or convex mirror or lens, whatever the word concave, or sometimes they will converging lens, diverging lens. Okay, they will confuse you in the examinations. So better, so given thing is what, very important. Once you will return correctly the given things means you can just apply the formula, you will get your answer very easily. I hope you understood all the concepts here.